Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Jamison Run. So today is a rainy day, and it's a slow rainy day right now, just a drizzle, but it is definitely a little rainy for the outdoor stuff. Yesterday was 70, 72 and sunny, and it felt amazing, like summer, and it makes like 48 degrees and rain feel pretty chilly. So we're doing some garage projects inside today, and this is stuff that's kind of just fun stuff. Helps us, but is not necessary. So one of those things I'm talking about is we've got the Grapple in here, and this is our Land Pride Grapple. Love the Grapple, strong, really well built. But the one thing that I did notice is sometimes it has trouble just actually holding on to things, especially when it's really big things. And I don't think it's any fault of the Grapple. What I think it is the fact that all of these teeth here are smooth. The whole thing is smooth. You know, if you look at a lot of the custom-made grapples, they all have jagged teeth here and on the bottom to help hold things in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go along and we're going to do kind of our own version of that. I did this with a log splitter a few years ago, and it really helped because I was having logs kick off the bottom of the splitting plate. And all I did was welded an X in there and put a couple other dots, little checks in there with the welder, and they're just round. I didn't make them sharp or anything like that, and it's perfect. You know, everything just sinks into that. So that's exactly what we're going to do on this. Is we're going to go down. I'm just going to weld dots, kind of, I don't know, every inch, every 2 inches, something like that, along the teeth here, along the upper side. And what that'll do is it'll just give us something to sink into a log a little bit better, or brush. I'm also not going to make them sharp because we do a lot of stone stuff. We do a lot of concrete, that kind of thing. So I just don't think if I weld out and I sharpen them, they're just going to be rounded in a heartbeat anyway. So that's our first project for today. After that, we've got a kids' playhouse to start building. We finished milling out all the lumber for that about 10:30 last night. It was beautiful. We did it by moonlight. And then we got a brake job to do on that as soon as the brake kit shows up, because we ordered a power stop brake kit for that. So yeah, that's all coming up today. And of course there's 5,000 other things that we could be doing. But those are the ones that I'd like to check off the list for today. So we got a long list. Let's get started. All right, so I've got every one of these marked at 1 inch on the tooth here, 1 inch, and then 2 inches after that all the way down. And on the outside here, I have the same thing, 1 inch, and then 2 inches all the way up. So this is slightly offset from here. So really, whenever I go to close those, the 1 inches should line up like this. The 1 inch, it should line up offset is what I'm trying to say. So it should actually put pressure on all those spots. Now this is definitely a little overkill. You'd probably never get one like this from a factory, but if I'm gonna do it, might as well do it. So we're gonna get welding on this, and hopefully that'll make the difference. Worst case scenario, we hate it, and we come back and grind half off. Try that, and then grind all of them off if we want to just go back to stock. So we'll give it a try here, see what happens. So the total timing of this project it was about 40 minutes, from laying it out to welding it to setup to all that stuff. Total about 40 minutes. So here we go. Might be a little tricky to see, but see all the welds going down. Got those on all the upper claw, every 2 inches, and then same down here on the bottom. Just put them every 2 inches. Yeah. So We'll see how that goes. We'll give it a try, and then I'll let you know in the videos. If you don't see it in some of the other videos, I'll actually do a little review here shortly on that, whether that was a good idea or a bad idea. I think it was a good idea, but yeah, I'll let you know. Thanks for tuning in on this one. This is kind of just a fun, silly project to practice a little bit of welding, but I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. See you for the next one.